Ka expert committee balathau da sarkar jala ban puli bania shwaban shemi ki sin jam pen kalai ka reservation policy khat khandai spa nyopuar kalayo shibon ki jingkan tho bat jing ai jingmut na ki kan hon ba pher ki seng san hima ki riu shiman bat ki nong mi khmat pat ba na lor ki we pan kumban shukdo baka committee kala shimru e kalat ban pej panya ai kitai ki jing ai jingmun ha ka ban besu ye ki benta badan kam ha ka bha thungkam thungjam lane ka reservation policy Haka khat san tarik unai tung arja arpusau nolor bon tali ki mat ajing mon uba Sanbor Shulai UMLA ka BJP na South Shillong Laong ba arpinyo persen ka bha thungkam deiban mang no ya ki bawan na ki Longïing ki Duna ka yo ka kot Haba kran sikilat pathai kubor hedin ga jingwan IT ya ki kot ajing mot ulaong nolor kini ga arpinyo persen deiban mang mar laipo persen ya ki khasi jain tia bat garo category 100% ya ki ST bat SC bat OBC bat nyo persen ya ki unreserved category Haba penshai se ki Longïing ki Duna ka yo ka kot ulak do kum ki Longïing below poverty line lani BPL bakenthop ya ki khon nong nya kali ki badejing de harot surok bad lenti ya kijan ki nong balasngi ki nong rap na lor ki weipan
Today on behalf of the people of the 19th South Shillong Advisory Committee we have here our advisor Shri George Arthur Wardry. Then we have General Secretary Tobias Armarak, and we have Bipen Pradhan, the member of the committee, and other members we have here, Punhun Kharbuli, Visim, Raju, Limbu, and Kamal, Thapa, and others. So this we have addressed to Shri LK Dingdo, Secretary Expert Committee, Personnel, and AR B Department, Government of Meghalaya. And the subject of this suggestion and recommendation on behalf of the 19th South Shillong Advisory Committee to improvise the Meghalaya State Reservation Policy 1972. So we have submitted just now, and let me highlight submitting and highlight main highlights of this suggestion. We are going to provide you one set of a copy of this suggestion and recommendation letter submitted to the Secretary Shri LK Dingdo. And here the main highlights of our recommendation and suggestion is that the above reservation is being done keeping in mind the 2011 population whereas the population census of 2011 tribal make up to 86.15% of Meghalaya population. So based on that, number 2, 30% we have suggested to reserve for Khasi Jaintia 30%. Reserve for Garo 27%, 30%, and 27% to reserve for economically weaker section, 6% combined to other Shul tribe, Shul caste and OBC, out of which 3% for other Shul tribe and 3% for Shul caste and OBC, 7% on reserve for general. Previously, other Shul tribe and Shul caste is 5%. Now we have proposed 6% with the increase of 1% with inclusion of OBC, other backward classes. Number 3 highlight, out of the 27% reservation for economically weaker section category, wherein 87% will be reserved for the economically weaker section or the BPL people of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo category, and remaining 6% to other Shul tribe, Shul caste and OBC, and 7% for unreserved category suggested by the advisory committee shall benefit the poor and also people from rural areas who are mostly deprived. For the job reservation, the economically weaker section includes the BPL family, which includes the children, children of drivers, hawkers, domestic workers, daily wages earners, contractual employees, ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers, farmers and laborers. For these, the government employees are excluded from economically weaker section category. Number 4, the advisory committee has also suggested the inclusion of all genuine non-tribal in OBC category, and the advisory committee has also suggested the inclusion of all genuine non-tribal of the state in OBC category, and for those entitled for the scheduled caste should be included in scheduled caste category. The advisory committee has also suggested 3% reservation for OBC and scheduled caste and 3% for the other scheduled tribe. The advisory committee has also suggested that in the absence of any interested candidates belonging to other scheduled tribe, scheduled caste, OBC, and unreserved category in any respective district, the same shall be filled by economically weaker section society of the Khasi Jaintia category in all Khasi and Jaintia hills, which includes in Ribhoi district, and Garo in case of Garo hills, for district level posts or subdivisional posts. Number 6, the advisory committee also suggested for district level posts or subdivisional posts, out of 87 combined reservation, 50% should be reserved for economically weaker section belonging to the Khasi Jaintia for all Khasi and Jaintia Hills district, which includes Ribhoi district and Garo for Garo Hills district. The advisory committee also suggested that the reservation policy should be reviewed every 10 years. Every 10 years should review. Here, it comes to 100-point reservation roster to be followed. Out of 100 seats, 30 seats reserved for Khasi Jaintia, category 1, in category 1. 30 seats reserved for Garo, category 2. 27 seats reserved for economically weaker section, category 3. Sub-classification, one of which 24 seats reserved for the Khasi Jaintia and Garo, 1 seat for other scheduled tribe, 1 seat for other scheduled caste and OBC, regional basis, 1 seat on reserve. The above sub-classification is done as per population census 2011. 4, 3 seats reserved for other scheduled tribe category. 4, 1 seat reserved for scheduled caste category 4, 2 seats reserved for OBC category 4, 7 seats for unreserved category 5. From all the above categories, 100% shall be reserved. We have given this from all the above categories as mentioned, 10% shall be reserved for the differently able people with disability, physically and the handicap, 10%. An individual who excel in the field of sports, arts and culture. This 10%. Yakini ki baduk ki bakrodo naduk kinong bela kinong rap ki taxi driver ki ben kling embryo ki ba trek touching embryo ki hawkers dan ki ba di ki bam de kinong trek kam sorkar ki ba trek kam private ki baduk ki bakrodo ba ki ban receive no arpunyo percent na batajong ki markum ka bolong akini ki Sanbor nam tam ki bla ayu kam don ka clarity aka seat reservation policy ki jungi ban peni bakaladun ka Jingmang yang kata Bhah na batajong kini ki baduk ki bakardo lene baladun ka Jingmang nam ta sports sport kam don ka clarity ka basay balamang kata persen nam ta ki sports kota kata persen nam ta ka art culture kam tudur ki badai ki kota jung ka art and culture te arpunyo persen nam ta ki economically weaker dari BPL iba mde kidong terekam sorkar nadu kidong rep nadu kidong ya taksi kidong kili beriu kidong di surok de madan apa surok kidong Shongyo barit beria kidong bela barit beria kiba tereh ki kamba per kiba lait no kiba terekam sorkar ya kiboro la kaji laju mur padiban ai Bhah kerpang no ya ki 70%.
Kumno ba raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lon.
Ai ki ration jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba? Ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba? Ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde uba Bhah.
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ka jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladang i bam ki jingbam ki bom tei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunas nam mat ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jinga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya ka met ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngengat hagi babun ki jingpa ka sorkar ka persangkat bala banwanra ya ka koj ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ompnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang Bhah ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo persen kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki ta ka sharp plus F haki.
Ba? Uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila banyo ne eh.
Nang ne kong. Nagani ka daw ka sorkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS ka Bhah na ka banta upaj ba. Ka sorkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha daw khau ba Bhatam na ka banta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata ka daw patang da uni ujat khau ba Bhatam ban sam shabaro ki Longïing. Nang ni shakman. Tang da khau fortified.
Ba, fikrannya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Rak Shafi Lingba ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.